In this video, you will learn how to make an image pairing activity using H5P. This is an example of an image pairing activity. The directions say to drag the offspring from the left to match them with their parent on the right. So when students see this, they would click on the offspring on the left and drag it to the parent. Let's try to get some wrong and see what happens when we answer incorrectly as well. When students finish, they can check their work. They get a score at the bottom, telling them how many they got right, and they also get checks and X's indicating if their answers are correct or incorrect. So let's get started making this. In H5P, click on My Account to get started. Then select Create New Content. We will give our content type a title, and then we will select Image Pairing from the drop-down menu. Remember, you can see an example or another example of image pairing by clicking on Example. Now the first box asks us to give our task a description. If we flip back over to the example, this part at the top where the directions are, that's the description. So whatever you want your image pairing to say at the top, that's what you type in the first box. Or you can leave it as is. If you scroll down, you'll see the cards. On the left, we have card 1 and card 2 already set up for us. And then we have the option to add cards. So let's add some images before we add a card. Let's set up card 1. So first I'm going to add the first picture. This picture will appear on the left. So I'm going to add, it's going to pull up my computer for me, and I'm going to select the cub first. There's my picture. I'll give my picture a title, and then scroll down and upload the matching image. So here I want to upload the bear. I'll also give this picture a title to go with it. From there, I'll click down to card number 2 and upload my second set of images. Now, it's important to remember which image you put first because we want all of the offspring to be on the left. So when I come down here, if I were to upload the cow here instead of the cow would appear with the cub, and then I would have offspring and adult on the left. So when I set up my cards, I want to put all the same categories first. So here, I'm going to select calf, type it in, select my cow, give that one a title, and now my second card is done. From here, I'll click Add Card to go to my third one, and I'll repeat the process until I have uploaded all of my images. When you're finished, you'll have your cards over here on the left, so we have 6 cards created that we're matching. Now the last thing you might want to look at after you upload all of your cards is the behavioral settings. If you click the arrow to open this up, you have an option to allow students to retry the activity when the game is over. So if you would like to give them the retry button, you just click on that checkbox and now they're able to retry. So on this game, we have given them the option to retry. So after I clicked all of my matches and submitted it, I was able to see the retry button. All right, that's it. You can save and close. And then once it loads, definitely try your game out. And then you can click the embed button to put your new game into eClass.